Sa pagpapaganda, iba ang nagagawa ng masayang puso. I just watched the wedding of Carla Abellana. And it's not my first time to watch Carla Abellana on screen. I've watched some of her movies or teleseries in the past nung nanonood pa ako. And she was already good looking, no? Maganda na talaga siya. But it's the first time I saw Carla Abellana to be so blooming. She's so blooming. Super blooming. And yun ang nagagawa ng masayang puso. Choosing the right partner. I didn't want to talk about relationships as my New Year's message. It's just that I saw Carla Abellana's video and I said na yung pagka-blooming niya ay hindi lang yung sa ganda ng kanyang mukha genetically, but because she is with the right person. And when you are ready, and when you're not looking, when you are prepared, when you are working on yourself, sabi nga niya, she was not even looking for love. And doon binigay sa kanya si Doctor. For many women, I always tell you that beauty is so important to captivate the right man. Because the best men are also very visual creatures. Sabi nga ni Doctor, dun sa Dr. Reginald, I think is his name, sabi niya is, "Hello, my love. You look beautiful as always." Okay? Yung word na always, beautiful always. And that was also my motivation to yung magpaganda ng magpaganda. It's not to look for a man, but to be beautiful always is actually the goal. No matter what season, no matter what time, beauty matters, even in love. So sana, sa mga followers ko, maraming jumakpat dyan. Hindi lang sa looks, kundi sa puso. Happy New Year, everyone, and please expect fewer videos until after the New Year. Okay? Kasi alam niyo na, this is a time for family kasi. And busy preparing. But I just want to say, I love you guys and thank you for following me and watching. Luma love life ka nga ata, ma'am. Okay. So, alam nyo, ang masasabi ko lang is, you have to be happy on your own first. Okay? Because a partner is just a partner. You are still the one who should be making yourself happy. Like, it's your responsibility to make yourself happy. If you put the responsibility of making you happy to another person, then they can take that away anytime. And sa beauty kasi, like ako, ang mapapayo ko lang is, huwag kayong pipili ng taong ikakalosyang ninyo. Kasi like ako, ang hirap, hindi madaling yung process ng glow up, ha. Baka akala nyo madali yung process ng glow up. Hindi madali. Magastos siya. Mahirap maging babae, pero mas mahirap maging babaeng content creator. Pag babae ka, you're usually called out. Sometimes, yung sa looks mo, uy, tumaba ka. Uy, umitim ka. Kami na content creator na nakaharap sa camera araw-araw. At of course, nababash or napupuna kami, mas matindi yung pinagdadaanan namin. Kaya pag may changes ako sa looks, whether it's sa hair or sa skin, syempre, masakit yun sa akin. Okay? Especially hair loss. Hindi madaling i-take. Okay. Hindi siya madaling i-take. Para sa iba, siya parang, maano lang yan. Wala lang yan. Pero sa trabaho na ito, content creation, tapos ang pinopromote mo, shampoo, conditioner. Siyempre, aalagaan mo yung buhok mo. Pag nagpo-promote ka ng gluta, aalagaan mo yung balat mo. Dapat glowing ka. Dapat makinis ka. So, yung trabaho na ito, hindi siya madali. It's not easy as what people think na video-video lang kami, tapos, ganun lang siya kadali. Ang daming mental health struggles. Kaya naintindihan ko yung iba, bakit nagpaparitoke sila, ba't pumupunta sila kay Dr. Ivy, kay Dr. kung sino man Dr. Jan, Dr. Bello. Okay, kasi the visuals really, really matter. Especially in jobs like what I'm doing. Okay. I always told you guys that looks matter. Looks really, really, really matter. Especially in specific industries. Okay? So, yun ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Kasi, may mga nagsasabi na, ang arte mo naman. Hair fall lang yan eh. Hair loss lang yan eh. Wala yan. Malayo yan sa bituka. Sumagot ako, hindi malayo sa bituka. Yung trabaho ko nakasalalay dito. So, a lot of people do not understand. Like, yun, mga kagaya ko na content creators, may pinag-iipunan din kami para sa mga changes ng physical appearance namin. Okay? Some kasi would cost 300,000, half a million. Okay? So, some procedures especially would cost that much. Okay. So, ganun siya kamahal yung pagpapaganda. So, the discipline required is also not easy. Kasi yung exercise every day, yun yung ginagawa ko. Especially for older women like me, no? The kind of discipline needed is really should be talagang disciplined na impeccable discipline. Okay. Kasi mas prone kami sa weight gain kaysa sa mga bata. Okay. So, I wanted to share what the industry is like so that when you decide to be a content creator, you know how tough it is for women. Na grabe din yung bashing namin, especially sa looks. Kahit nga gumanda na kami, nababash pa rin kami. Hahanapin pa rin yung butas. Hahanapin pa rin yung people would look for your imperfections. Okay. I think that's really part of the job. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka kahit may dalawang tao o maraming tao na gumagamit ng the same beauty products ay magkakaiba ng resulta? Meron pa nga yung mga as in halos exactly the same products. Okay. Okay, simple lang yan. Magkakatalo yan sa aura. Okay. Kasi meron yung quote, sinabi niya yung beauty is a reflection of the harmony within. May mga tao na mas maaliwalas ang kanilang face kasi nga yun ang reflection ng kalooban nila. Okay. So lagi kong sinasabi na sa inyo, check your habits, check your mindset, check the way you treat other people or check the way you treat yourself. Kasi makaka-affect yon sa harmony within. Beauty is a reflection of the harmony within. Pag-isipan mo yan. Sa glow up, the execution is on you. Ikaw. Okay. Mapag-glow up sa face, glow up sa buhay, the execution is on you. Do not wait on somebody else to push you, to motivate you, to make you feel good about yourself because the truth is that it is a solo battle. A glow up is a solo battle. Okay? It's a solo ride. It's not a group ride unless meron kang isang barkada or merong magbabarkada kayo tapos nag-decide kayo na mag-glow up kayo ng sabay-sabay. Tapos sabay-sabay nyo ginagawa lahat. Okay. And the truth is you need to do it alone. See? And the process can be very brutal, especially if while doing your glow up is you are going through other challenges in life. Yun, ganun siya mas challenging. See? So, if another aspect would be you will lose a lot of people because when you're doing a glow up, you're changing the old version of you. And there's going to be a new version. And as a result, with that new version, it requires new people as well. And that's the sad part. But it's very liberating to know as well na yung new version mo requires new people. Iba talaga pag tumatanda ka na, you really are into practical stuff. Okay? Alam nyo, kahit sa beauty, no, haluan nyo ng wisdom kasi. Okay? Haluan nyo ng talino. Kasi like what I said, okay, when it comes to the physical appearance, there's a lot of women who will really stand out. Okay? Especially kapag, the type of beauty ng mga Christine Hermosa, ganyan. Okay, mga ganong klaseng beauty nagsa-stand out talaga. Or Carla Abellana, stand out yung mga parang Mama Mary. But if you are not that type of beauty, no, kailangan, kunwari, attractive ka, and then you have other things that are of value, whether it's a skill, a talent, okay, or wisdom or talino. Because when you get to my age, which is 41, I turned 41 years old today, you will really realize that it's so important, not just to take care of your looks, but to also take care of your brains. Is being pretty enough to make you successful? Of course not. Although looks matter and pretty privilege is real, pretty faces also come and go. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin ay, meron at merong mas magandang darating at merong mas bata na darating kesa sa'yo. So, lahat naman tayo nagkakaedad, hindi ba? So, pansinin niyo yan. Kunwari may mga sikat 2 years ago, tapos after 2 years, hindi na sila sikat. Okay. Kahit gaano kaganda pa yung babae na yan, darating yan sa pagkalaos. Or darating, kumaga mawawala ka sa prime age mo. Or dun sa age na, marami ka pang nakukuhang opportunities. Okay. This is the importance of skills. Napanood ko si Miss Chung, sabi niya, yung sandata mo is diploma, pera, kagandahan. Okay? At saka skills. Skills is very, very important. So you have to build your skills. The best people that I know kasi, they're not really the prettiest, but they have very, very good skills. For example, they have very good sales skills. Magaling sila magbenta. Okay? Magaling sila mag-network. Okay? Kasi pag magaling ka magbenta, hindi ka na magugutom eh. Meron na yung skills sa'yo. Okay? So, yun ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo guys na huwag kayong nakakampante. kahit na sinasabi ko na looks matter, no? Kung bibilangin natin ng magandang babae dito sa Pilipinas pa lang, iba pa yung magandang babae sa abroad, okay? Baka pang 1 million or pang 5 million ka na sa ano sa bilang or ano. Kumbaga, beautiful people are dime a dozen, sabi nga nila. Pero para maging successful ka, kailangan mo rin ng swerte at saka diskarte. Kasi pag wala kang diskarte, lalo sa pera sa panahon ngayon, wala, magugutom ka talaga. Okay? Kasi very competitive lahat ng industries ngayon. Okay? Kahit anong industry pa yan, kahit nga affiliate marketing, it's very saturated na as an industry. So, yung pretty privilege, kahit meron ka nun, hindi na natatapos doon yung self-improvement mo. Kasi dapat i-improve mo pa lalo. Okay? Kumbaga, yung face card mo is just one aspect. Kasi ang dami ko nakikitang nagiging successful na hindi sila talaga maganda. Pero, nagiging successful sila dahil sa galing nila. Okay? Honestly ha, si Kiray, ang galing mag-live selling yan. Okay, napapanood ko si Kiray noon, mag-live selling. Dire-diretso mag-live selling yan. Tingnan mo siya ngayon, self-made multimillionaire na siya. So, gawin nating inspirasyon yung mga naunang naging successful, no? Na nakikita natin sa social media. Kasi honestly, the process is really not easy. Never stop dreaming. Yung be ambitious, be driven, kahit may challenges. Yun yung gusto kong message para sa sarili ko and for the followers as well. Okay? Kasi ang beauty, hindi sasapat yan. Napakadaming magandang babae dito sa Pilipinas pa lang. Sa Pampanga pa lang, maglakad ka lang sa SM Pampanga eh. Marami ka nang makikitang mga malamodel sa ganda, di ba? Or sa Cebu. Okay? It's very important for a woman to have more than just a pretty face. And of course, beauty is very, very important. Okay? Inaalagaan naman natin ang ating sarili, di ba? Pero to be a woman who constantly pushes for her dreams, no matter what, that's a different kind of level. Okay. Sabi ko sa sarili ko noon, before I started social media, okay lang kahit 100 followers lang ako. And then I told myself, dapat laging nile-level up ang dreams. Dapat laging nile-level up ang self. Dapat hindi ka tumitigil para mangarap. Kasi minsan ka lang mabubuhay dito sa mundo, no? Why not travel, experience things? Kasi it's just one life. Isang buhay lang. Tapos wala na. At 41 years old, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ang dami ko pang bansang gustong puntahan, ang dami ko pang gustong, and of course, yung money side na yan, magagawa natin ng paraan yan. Kasi ano yan eh, basta pursigido ka, basta determined ka as a person. Okay, pag determined ka para sa mga pangarap mo, kahit anong setback yan, kahit may delay, you will continue. And yun yung gusto kong i-impart sa inyo. Okay? Kasi magiging busy na ako bukas. And bukas, puro promotional content na yung maipopost ko by gabi. So ngayon ko na binibigay yung aking birthday message. Okay? Ang dami kasing nag-give up na sa life. Like, ang bata-bata nila tapos nag-give up na sila sa buhay. Kasi sa hirap ng buhay. Kasi nga yung opportunities, kulang. Or walang support system. Or kulang sa confidence, kulang sa skills. Ang dami kong kilalang nag-succeed na galing sa walang-wala. So, walang imposible talaga basta determinado ka. So, yun lang. And, yun, happy birthday to me. Sabi nila, ang tanda mo na 41 ka na. Oo nga. Pero bakit di ko pa naman nararamdaman yung age ko. When it comes to glow up, the more money you have or the more budget that you have, the better options you have. Okay. This is why I always remind women that when it comes to a glow up, even dressing well, yes, we have budget. Okay, for example, may mga budgetarian na pwede kang bumili ng mura na makeup or mura na mga damit and then it still looks good on you. But in order to really reach your fullest potential when it comes to a glow up, the money is really, really important. And I know it's January 1st. Ano ba yun? Alam mo naman bakit pera ang topic when it comes to a glow up. Kasi it really affects. Okay? It really affects, for example, gusto mong bumili ng Mossview Placenta or gusto mong bumili ng Mossview Collagen. Okay? Pero yung budget mo, hindi mo kayang i-maintain yun every month. Okay? So, merong bearing yun when it comes to your choices. Okay? Na imbis na piliin mo yung choices na magaganda yung results, you settle for example, less and then yung results mo mas mabagal. Ganun lang siya, guys. Okay? So, that should be the goal for 2026 is to really, really, really work on the finances. Ang beauty parang pera yan. Hindi mo siya hinahabol. Okay? Kasi pag hinahabol mo, ano bang ginagawa ng hinahabol? 'Di ba? Tumatakbo. Okay? Ganon din sa love. Okay? Pag hinahabol mo isang tao, mas lalo kang aayawan niyan. Ganon din sa beauty kasi. I think a lot of women hindi successful yung glow up nila. Kasi hindi sila naka-focus dun sa proseso. Okey. Hindi nila ini-enjoy yung proseso, yung hirap ng pagiging consistent kahit na hindi maganda ang pakiramdam mo, kahit New Year pa. So many women just focus on the results na hindi pa nga nangyayari. And yun yung hinahabol nila, yung results. Pero yung proseso, ganyan. Okey. Gano'n din sa pera, yun yung natutunan ko. Ang pera hindi mo hinahabol. Darating yan kapag may value ka na, kapag ready ka ng i-handle siya. I feel happy when I'm able to buy for myself things that would help me maintain my youth, okay, beauty, health. Kaya nga lagi kong sinasabi ko, ang mantra ko is work, 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 work. As in work talaga. Okay? Kaya nga mababawasan na rin ang oras ko sa podcast by next year, especially pag yung work schedule ko ay magiging 8 to 10 hours na. Ibig sabihin, it's either nakaschedule yung mga uploads or hindi na kasing dami ng na-witness nyo this year. Okay? Kasi mas kailangan ko ng stable job, stable sources of income na. Hindi lang yung puro social media lang. Okay? So, it's because mahal kasi ang maintenance mo when you reach your 40s, no? Like ngayon, kaka-check out ko ng collagen ko and manggagaling pa siya sa Japan. Nasa 1,002, 1,200. Yung collagen pa lang yun. Okay? So, wala pa dun yung iba. And that's what I want to say to women, no? Magpaka-real talk tayo na. Yes, love, beauty is important, but hey girl, money is life. And that is the truth. And in these times na times are hard, dito mo talaga mas maano ang importance ng pera. And that na kailangan mo mag-grind, mag-hustle. Kasi kung hindi, hmm, um, wala. Walang mangyayari. Wala kang pan-check out ng pampaganda mo. Yun na yun. You can improve your aura by changing your wardrobe. Now, hindi mo naman kailangang palitan lahat-lahat, okay? And there are strategies na ginagawa ko gradually para mapalitan ko yung wardrobe ko nang hindi gumagastos ng super mahal. Kasi alam naman natin ang buhay ngayon ay hindi naman talaga madali. Okay? One thing is you have to declutter. Okay. Alin ba dito sa mga damit na to ang never ko nang susuotin na pwede pang mapakinabangan ng ibang tao at magamit ng iba? Okay? So, yung mga yon dapat ngayong 30, okay, bago mag-31, naayos mo na siya tapos naipamigay mo na siya mamaya or bukas, yun yung mga ipapamigay mo na damit. Pangalawa is yung mga damit na pwede mo pang ibenta. Okay? So, ako kasi, meron akong mga damit na binibenta ko. Okay, so may mga nabebenta na ako actually. So unti-unti na siyang nawawala. Okay, so ito yung mga damit na pwede kong ibenta para yung napagbentahan ko, yun ang ibibili ko ng bagong damit. Kasi ang sabi nila is, in order to change your identity, you start changing your clothes or your outer appearance. Yun yun. Okay? In order to change your identity, you can start changing your physical appearance and even your physical environment. So, linis-linis.